So this is the project that I was working on for Gary at Urban Yarns, his crochet along, his make along. And I chose Yes's The Fish. And this is the piece that I've been working on. I didn't make it in time. Today is May 1st. So happy May Day, everybody. But yeah, this is such a lovely fabric. And I'm going to record how to make this and do a little tutorial for it. But I'm very happy with the way this fabric looks. It's a beautiful yarn from Ice Yarns. I'll give you more details about it in an upcoming tutorial for this piece. I'm just disappointed that I didn't make it in time to submit it for Gary's make-along, because that's what this was inspired by. I've had this cake for over 3 years. This color, this cake. I had 2 cakes I got from Ice Yarns. And I just didn't know what to make with them until this came along. And this is 100% cotton, and I love this this stitch. So please tune in later when I show you how to make this. I'm going to edit that out. Also, I got a Herrshner's catalog yesterday. Didn't make it for Magazine Monday, but they are doing a free shipping for $35 or more in the contiguous United States. So that is a nice thing. I haven't looked through it yet, but if you haven't have a chance, go look to Herrshner's. They have some lovely, wonderful yarns as well. One of my favorite yarns is by Willow. It's called Meadow. That's one of my favorite yarns from them. Anyway, I just wanted to come online and say crochet your way today, because it's the only time we have. Take care, and I'll see you next time.